So here's our table of 55 best fast-growing companies, which also are trading at a big discount. And some of them are more famous ones like Pinduoduo, Mercadolibre, Paycom. What else we have here? Palo, City, Datadog, so on and so on. Uber, but some of them are something you might have never not heard of, and they are completely neglected by mainstream investors, mainstream retail investors, despite the huge growth. So, for example, and also a side note that we do not really care about what sector or industry the companies are in or what they're doing, as long as they have a big growth and good metrics. So I will give you an example and explain what we're looking for on Costamare Incorporated. So let's have a look at the graphs, and then I will explain what all of the metrics are that we want to see. But first of all, the companies here are ranked. So 55 companies. Most of them, we do only have 20 companies that are trading at discount, but they are ranked by the historical average price to sales ratio, and we take the current price to sales, we divide by the mean, and we do get the discount. So that's why they make the list. So they do have good growth numbers, but they're also cheap. So the example would be Costamare Incorporated CMRE. So we want to see the good revenue numbers. So where it is, year-over-year 25%. Every company here on the list is doing record sales, and if we talk about record, we mean year-over-year. We do not care about last quarter or 2 quarters before, because the seasonality and I don't know, accounting principles. What matters is year-over-year. So Costamare making records, also not only records, but we see 33.7% average revenue growth over last 1.5 years. So, and what's also a very good sign is we see a huge increase. So this is the vector we want to see if we expect the companies grow fast in the future as well. So there's a very small probability of declining sales. So this is the year-over-year, and I guess there was one negative quarter somewhere 2022, but otherwise revenues has been at 100% now last 2 years. So this is the vector we're looking for, increase in revenues year-over-year. So this table shows, is it did they exceed or did not exceed the previous quarter 4 years ago, 4 quarters ago, so last year. Compounded annual growth rate, it was close to 0 next to 2017, and we see quite a steady increase, over 10% now, all-time book value. Also, we want to, this shows the profitability, $5 increase, which is like almost 1/3 since 2022. Also, it's record high. So this shows good management and also good profitability. They have not had decrease in the book value now last 3 years or so. So only positive quarters. So the metric is at 100%. So this is the vector we want to see, decline all overall until last quarter of 2020, and now the percentage of positive year-over-year quarters has been increasing. So here's the numbers, now over 13.5% average by last 1.5 years book value, and the price, why it's a good buy. So we have to take into account the price. So first of all, we saw the increase, and what we care about is the price. So what is the average? So the mean value for Costamare is price to sales value of 1.77, and currently it's only, actually the price is less than the sales, and giving it 60% discount. And I looked it up, actually they are trading at 60% of their book value as well. So let's have a look how much the discount is now. So I have to bear in mind that the mean, it has been changing actually. It's not constant. We recalculate every quarter the mean. So it has been going from 2 to close to 3, and kind of the line is over 2. And how much was the average? 1.77, and so here is 1.77, currently 71. So the price to sales ratio is only at 71 cents per dollar, which is very rare, and the discount is 40% of the historical average. So let's calculate what will be the price target be. So the stock price is 12.77, and if you go back to the historical mean, it is giving us the price target for Costamare $31.9 US.